In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoodNotes to ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This opens the account menu, which is where you can access important options related to your setup and connected tools. From that menu, click Settings. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the Apps section. This is the place where ChatGPT lets you manage and discover integrations with other services, including note-taking and productivity apps like GoodNotes. Click into Apps to continue. Now, inside the Apps section, choose the option that says Explore Apps or Add More. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version you're using, but both options will take you to the App Discovery page. This is where you can browse or search for apps that work with ChatGPT. When you arrive on that page, you should see a search field. Click into the search bar and type GoodNotes. After a moment, the GoodNotes app should appear in the results. Once you see it, click on it and then select Connect. At this point, ChatGPT may guide you through a few connection instructions. If any prompts appear, just follow them carefully to complete the setup. This can include confirming access, signing in through the app's official connection flow, or approving permissions so the integration can work properly. Take your time here and read each screen before moving on, so you know exactly what you're allowing. Once the prompts are complete, the connection should be finished, and that's it. GoodNotes is now connected to ChatGPT. A quick tip before you wrap up: if the app doesn't appear right away in search, try refreshing the page or checking that you're in the correct Apps section inside Settings. Also, depending on your account type or app availability, the layout may look a little different, but the process stays essentially the same. Open your profile menu, go to Settings, enter Apps, search for GoodNotes, and connect it. That's the full process for connecting GoodNotes to ChatGPT. It only takes a minute, and once it's set up, you can move on knowing the app has been linked through the proper settings area inside ChatGPT.